Hello everyone, welcome to All Coder. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and get started with the Godot engine. So let's get right to it. So welcome back, and now let's talk about the Godot engine. The Godot engine is a free open source gaming engine that provides you with amazing tools to make 2D and 3D games. And I've personally used it for some small projects and I loved it. And now how do we download it? Downloading the Godot engine is very easy. If you're on the home page, just click this download button. And if you're not, the link is in the description down below. And now you can download it for Linux, Mac, or Windows. And when you're gonna download, you're gonna find these two options. The first one is just the standard version of the Godot engine. And there's this mono version C# support. Well, this is if you want to use the C# language in the Godot engine. Well, I'm not gonna use that, so I'm just gonna click on the 64-bit one. Just click on it and it will download. Now, after you download it, just click on the icon of the engine. You might find it on your desktop, and if you don't, just search for it in your computer. Now, when you open this, you're gonna find this empty. I just have these two projects, but you're gonna find this empty. To make a new project, just click here. And now, just write a name for your project. You can write whatever you want. I'm just gonna call this test, and then the project path. Just put it in an empty folder. I have this folder ready, test2, okay? And I'm gonna select the current folder. Then just click create and edit. Now let's open. There's these tabs. There's this tab for make 2D games, and this 3D tab to make 3D games. And there's a script. This is where you write your code. And now there's all these other buttons and many more things that you can do here. But that will be for another video. And I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. So that's everything for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it useful. If you want more videos about the Godot engine, hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you